Hi everybody, it's Sally from Sally Stampers. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm bringing you my February card kit. My kit for this month features around the Sweetest Thing stamp set and the Jar of Sweets framelets. Beautiful suite, so much fun. Few different options in terms of the sentiments, but I had lots of fun making up these cards, and they really are quite cute, and some of them are really easy to make as well. So I'll pop my kit and I shall show you the cards. So this is the first one. It's just a blank one because sometimes we don't need to have cards with sentiments on for everything. Sometimes it's nice just to have a blank one. So we've got a nice embossed layer here, and this is the Happiness Blooms embossing folder actually. It's escaped me what it's called right now, but there's that one, that's really cute. Some of these beautiful glitter enamel dots, and then we have another white one, but this has the stitch rectangles on it, a large one of those, and some DSP and this beautiful reversible ribbon. Some more glitter enamel dots, a Bermuda Bay base, and I just coloured this in with my watercolour pencils. A little strip of DSP, but again quite a fun birthday card. And this one is out of the catalogue. If you have a look, you'll notice that it is in there. So I've just done that one, and this is just some white heat embossing on the front there. Some more glitter dots, which I got a little bit overwrought with, I think, because they're on every card, but I really like them. I think they're lovely. And again, just 2 sheets of DSP there. So those are the cards. And then just to add a bit of fun, pizza boxes. They're so much fun, so versatile. You can fill them with 3x3 cards, or you could put in some chocolate or some sweets. One of the small bag of Haribos would go in there quite nicely. It's just a little treat. And you'll notice you've got one of the pins and tags on here as well. And then you've also got a couple of these clear bags, which again, ideal for putting treats in. They are food safe, and another of the pins and tags on the front there. And so those are the projects that you can make out of my kit, and then I'll show you, just popping those over there, I'll show you what you have. So we've got, as anticipated, our card bases. So we have 2 of the thick Whisper White, Coastal Cabana, Bermuda Bay and Gorgeous Grape card bases. So the 5 as normal. You have 12 sheets of DSP, so in effect 2 of each one. So you've got the reverse as well, so you've actually got 2 of each sheet to use, and as you can see, they're so bright and so much fun to use. Plenty of different colours going on there. So yeah, all of those, and they are 6x6. 2 pizza boxes that I will potentially fold in half like this, just because otherwise they won't fit in my postal box, but you'll get them like that. They're dead easy to make up. So 2 pizza boxes, and then your goodies. So you're going to get your envelopes, which you always get. And then I think that's it. Oh, so yeah, so 2 of the cellophane bags, which you can't really see. There you go, that's better. 2 of the cellophane bags. You get 32 of the enamel dots, so 8 of each colour. So you get those. I've put in 2 meters this time of this gorgeous ribbon. The reason being is because I have quite a bit wrapped around the pizza box. I have a nice piece wrapped around there, and it's also on 2 of the cards, so you've actually got 2 meters in this one. And then all of your panels that you need for your cards. So where are we? So that one for that one. DSP will be cut to go onto that one. There's your, and there's the pink banner, and then your large rectangle and your pink and your embossed layer. So that's those pieces. And then in here, as you can see, so you'll get your die cut scallops and circles. You get lots of sweets here that I used on top of my pizza box. So you actually have 2 of each style in 4 different colours. So there's the Coastal Cabana, Melon Mambo, Granny Apple Green and Gorgeous Grape. And as I say, you'll get 4 of each. So just going on to my box here. So we have Lollipops, that sort of sweet, the long one, and then a more of a rounded end one. So you get 4 of each of those in each colour. And then the pins and tags, you'll get 3 tags and 3 pins in your kit. And that is all you get from your kit. So if you want one, don't forget to contact me either via my blog, and the link for that is just below. You can get hold of me on Facebook or Instagram, or on my blog. Any of those, just either send me an email, as I say, or get hold of my details on Facebook. But they are £15 including postage and packaging, and obviously you get all of this bar the stamped images. So everything you need to make these cards bar the sentiments and the stamps that I've used on that one, because these are DSP cutouts anyway. Lots for your money there and lots of fun to have a little try. I hope you like it. Don't forget to contact me if you want one, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye!